In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Clickfunnels. We'll move through this process together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a product fully created inside your account, ready to connect to your funnels and start taking payments. First, once you're logged into your Clickfunnels dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar menu, you'll see an option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your products will live, and it's the central place you'll come back to anytime you want to create, edit, or manage what you're selling. When the products page loads, look for a button that says Create Product. Click this button to start setting up something new. Think of this like opening a blank template specifically for your offer. Next, Clickfunnels will ask you to choose what type of product you're creating. You'll typically see two main options, physical or digital. Choose physical if you're selling something that needs to be shipped, like a book, merch, or any tangible item. Choose digital if you're offering something that can be delivered online, such as a course, an ebook, or access to a membership area. Select the option that best matches what you're selling, since this can affect how fulfillment and delivery are handled later on. After you've selected the product type, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your product. This is usually something your customers will see during checkout, so make it clear and descriptive. For example, instead of just course, you might write Email Marketing Starter Course. When you're happy with the name, click the Create Product button. This saves the basic product details and opens up more settings you can configure. Now that the product exists, you need to give it a price. Look for the option that says Add Price and click it. A field will appear where you can type in the amount you want to charge. Enter your price carefully, double-checking the currency and the value. This is also a good moment to think about how that price fits into your overall offer and funnel strategy. Once you've entered the amount, click Set Price to confirm. At this point, you've successfully added a product in Clickfunnels, complete with its type, name, and price, and you're ready to plug it into your funnels and start selling.